Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lion's mane extract powder. First, select high-quality lion's mane mushrooms, either fresh or dried. If fresh, gently clean them to remove any dirt. You'll need to dehydrate them thoroughly until they are brittle. This initial preparation is crucial for an effective extraction process, ensuring your starting material is optimal for the subsequent steps. Next, we perform the hot water extraction. Take your dried lion's mane and simmer it in water for about 2 to 3 hours. This gentle heat helps to release the beneficial water-soluble compounds, like polysaccharides, from the mushroom cells. After simmering, strain the liquid carefully, setting aside the mushroom material for the next stage of extraction. Now for the alcohol extraction. Take the mushroom material from the previous step and place it in a jar with high-proof alcohol, such as 80% grain alcohol. This part of the dual extraction targets compounds like triterpenes, which are not water-soluble. Allow this mixture to steep for 2 to 4 weeks, shaking it gently each day to ensure thorough extraction. Finally, we combine and finish the extract. Carefully strain the alcohol extract and then combine it with your previously reserved water extract. Gently heat this combined liquid to evaporate the alcohol and excess water, leaving behind a concentrated, thick resin. Once completely dry, grind this resin into a fine powder, ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.